8 Dubai Villa living rooms and dining rooms, completely transformed. From cluttered lived-in spaces to editorial-grade designer interiors, we replace flooring, walls, lighting, joinery, furniture. Full curation. Living and dining renovations start from 60,000 dirhams. A tired traditional living room turned modern editorial. This one is in Arabian Ranches too. Yellow chintz drapes and ceiling fan replaced with a marble floor luxury sitting room. This one is in Arabian Ranches too. Open plan dining transformed with a sculptural chandelier and marble table. This one is in Dubai Villa. Cluttered family room into a curated sectional and statement art. This one is in Dubai Villa. Compact villa living turned spacious and bright. This one is in the lakes. Mustard chairs and dated wood replaced with cream boucle and brass. This one is in the villa. These are real unicorn interiors transformations. Living and dining renovations typically take 6 to 10 weeks. WhatsApp the number on screen for free 3D design.